Welcome to another video episode on my Arduino Yun, which is partly embedded Linux and therefore also able to connect to storage. Also connected to network and powered by USB. It's also connected to breadboard with electronics and fischertechnik mechatronics. The objective of this series of videos is to manage data acquisition, data that is being caused by this chain shielding or interrupting a light beam between lamp and phototransistor, a motor with propeller, and potmeters that are supposed to make the mechatronics and motor go faster or slower, as well as feeding the LEDs. Yeah, this is an inconvenient, but okay, so be it that it sometimes gets stuck. Last time I found that I made a mistake in the data array, which runs here or is being filled on here, and then I have to copy it, but it is being stored continuously on here on the USB stick, and then I have to copy it. But one of the problems that I met last time is that the data has is not quite consistent. One has 5 arrays, one has 4 columns, one has 3 columns, so I have to fill that. I think I'm going to change that because so far I had it with 999, no, 4 nines, which I replaced by a hopefully empty space, empty cell, null, N-U-L-L, but that has gone to 0. So I need to change that I have 4 things to fill, because a 0 is a 0 and a very sharp peak downwards is not nice. Apart from that, trying again to improve the graph from Octave, trying to get data anyway in Scilab, and whatever may come to attention. The rest works nicely. Let me log into the monitor. So that I get some nice input, and this is also important. I should take care of. Okay, here now the LED burns, and it is the intention. Okay, this LED is burning, I think, yeah. Motor is running, and now this one stops. So things still don't quite work as intended. This works, that works, this doesn't work yet. Last time I also resolved a wiring issue, but let's focus on the data acquisition. So a change in the array is imminent, and trying to get a nice graph out of it. So let's see how that will work out. So what I was talking about, the 0, which has been there because of an element being filled with nil, N-U-L-L, right here. How to deal with all this stuff? Good question. What do I have to fill it with? Well, actually, here it is being dealt with, being filled with integer value, that is element 3. What else do I have anyway? Sensor value, output value, NTC, and I read analog in pin A1. Oh wait, that is NTC value. Do I have another analog in pin? Somewhere. That would be very nice, although this is sensor value 1 and the other one is A1 or A2. So we need to think about that this will be something else. The question is what, but I need to get rid of the null. That is one thing that's for sure. This is a lot of old garbage in converting strings, etc. Also everything with output value and sensor value. And there isn't anything more. Now that is what worries me. How much can I get there? One thing is of course also the mechatronics. Where's the mechatronics coming from and going to? Let me see. Right here. This one, and no, I'm wrong. It is this line, and that goes to mechatronics, goes to A4. A4. Do I have A4 in here? No, I don't. That's a good one. I can read A4. So I can just say, okay, is A4 analog or digital? I need to know that, of course. A4. Analog input for phototransistor. Alright. So I make this analog read and then of course A4. Looks like a good one. And then I can use the other null. It's exactly the same. And that will be 4 as well. Very good. 0 is gone. Can always be changed. But at least I've got rid of the nulls. So, right now let's save this. Is this alright? that is alright. Go, and now password. Yes. Everything comes to a halt because it's uploading. And then what I need to do, very important, remove the old file. Done. Oh, by the way, what I already did before in preparation, syncing date and time with the browser. Otherwise, it is back to 2015, which makes no sense. So, now I will remove the deadlock.txt. Yes. And oh, that's interesting. Do I have? There's none. Okay. So I am going to is there one now? Yes, it is immediately created when I start this one. Very good. Question is, what's in it? Okay, this is assumingly timing. Then I start giving input. See. There I get some stuff. But what is 0 and what isn't? So if I cut it back, not 0, not 0, not 0, not 0. And these are also not 0. So where's the 0 coming from? But this is timing, and here, oh, wait a second. Yeah, here it starts at 73. So if I start looking at it again, it starts at 73. Odd. But anyway, the 0 appears to be gone. Although I have no clue where this 0 is coming from, but let's see again. All data. This is 0, this is 2. Let's make it go to some other place. So okay, I need to fix this somehow because this is not to my liking. See? That may be I have to support this. Okay, some kind of underground right here. This is better. This needs underground, so now it is done. This gives also not a different signal, or supposed to. No. Alright, let's keep it that way. So this is for the motor and this is for the chain. Which is standing still. but with some aid it goes on. Then what I was doing, changing the value. And going here. Oh, see, now all columns are filled. That's the point. That is the whole point. So it's a matter of settings to get rid of the zero, but time and value interfere. That is not good. Not good at all. But the number of columns is alright. Alright, so now I have some new content and I'm going to copy it like I used to do. Right, now I need a nice data file. Although I'm not quite sure how to interpret this one. Alright, all the zeros are gone here. Well, not all of them. And I've got 6 columns instead of 5. So let's plot. Okay, this is a plot of the file, but what I actually need is a plot of something in time, etc. So I'll have to figure that out as well, which is going where. What I also noticed was how I can most likely print stuff. So I can here open, which I already do, and then mprintf. Or using fscanmat. I have no idea, didn't try yet. So far I used mopen. But let me use this one. So this I can copy, I hope. But it is let's see how to do that. Let's first use mfprintf. Let's first do that. Okay, so this is one, and then go mfprintf. And then of course fd_r2. Wrong number of arguments, at least 2 expected. Alright, that needs some text, so data, I don't care. Read only. So I need to put it to write mode. already opened. Okay. And close AVR-C. Invalid status. No kidding. So actually finding this and then getting something else. Okay. This doesn't work either, as I don't know where this is coming from. I only export yeah, it says 6, but where's the 6 coming from? That is what I wonder, because if I look here I have 5. If I look in the code, I only have 0 through 4, which is 5, not 6. So where is Octave getting its 6 column from? I don't like that. And this will have to wait. Alright, let's remove the current one. And this starts all over again. See, and this is time and this isn't. So what is this exactly? Time continues. In the case, well, not really time, but more like loop. So it has now completed here 8069 loops. So that's a mystery as well. Let me change something here. Yeah, the motor gets joules. Pressing this button should hold the motor or slow it down, but it doesn't really do that. Anyway, this is data. So what is, oh look at that. Here the data is still there, and here the low numbers are gone. But it is still not obvious what it is then. This is, what is it anyway? I need to find out. Yeah, it's too bad that I don't have any columns that are here and that I can read easily, but I have to assume this is 0, 1 and 2, and right here this is writing in this is 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in that case it means that I have this, what I should look for. Not just one line, but actually 2 lines. 2 parts of data. So in that respect, I should change my I should change it. It's a 0 and a 1. Wait, hold on. Wait a second. No, I'm doing this wrong. I'm doing this very wrong. This starts at 0. This starts at 0. And this is now I have a row versus column, where I have 2, and that's not right, and there I do go wrong. If it starts at 0, I make a mistake here. I start at 0. Row 0, column 4. Row 1, column 4. The second row, column 4. And there I make a mistake as well. Big mistake. This is one thing that is smaller or equal to 500. And this sensor value. Yes, I'm making a mistake here. One sensor value and then a second sensor value. So yes, I do have to have 3 rows. I have to have 3 rows. With 2 sensor values. So how many rows should I get? Probably 3. And then this goes all wrong. I think that's going wrong. Good. I think I go wrong there. But time is running out again. So once again, a probable error in coding again. Slowly getting there, but still the reading file in Scilab is giving a problem. Anyway, that's it for now. So storage is working, mechatronics is kind of working. I have to mind the probes. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you like. Much appreciated. You can also follow me on Twitter. If so, please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can show your support by making a little donation, small donation. More information on my website which is listed in the description box. under this video, and at the start of this video as well. And you can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned. Please see my website and my Patreon page. This is going to be continued. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.